I'm so scared for the neighbors, but they'll get over it. The neighbors will definitely. Yo, you did so good, man. You know what? I know everybody thinks I'm shy. That's why I don't stand on stage for long and stuff. But it's just like, I always used to think to myself, like sometimes when I was in church or like school in lessons and stuff, and then the teacher's talking forever a story that I don't want to hear. And like in church also, it's like, she's going for 7 kids. I mean, I can't be mad at her. 7's a nice number. And she's doing them in a row. No, but it would be so funny. Like, every time someone confided in me as like, no, and then they're like, the people did it, I'd come and I'd tell you. No, I won't do it then. I won't do it. What I'm just saying. I can't deal. Yeah, no, they would come, they would take me out. No. No. It's a safe space. Not that I wouldn't even try that. But yeah, guys. So, guys, another thing that I learned about myself is that my dress code is changing. I had 3 phases in life. Like, my first phase was when I was growing up. Like, I used to dress like a boy, complete boy. Even in high school, even after high school, I used to wear, like, from the boys section. Literally, from sports scene, like, just only sports scene boys. Then I became a little bit of a girl when I was like 21, you know. And then I started doing like these gothic looks. Like I would just wear black shorts and like fishnets underneath. And that changed. Like I realized they will even stop inviting you. Like everybody's getting an invite and then and then I'm there. I'll be so sad, like, no, almost as if I'd done nothing wrong, waiting for my invite. That would be so sad. But I would laugh. I would find it so funny. Yeah. So anyway, my dress code is changing now. My dress code has become like Sophia Richie, you know. It's young, but it's calling like. It's becoming classy. I think I need to start wearing like just to like clean the house, Balmain or Dolce & Gabbana. They say you must dream of the life that you want and you must fake it until you make it. So even if I'm getting Dolce & Gabbana from small streets, it's still Dolce & Gabbana. Like, you know, I'm still... It's even probably like the same Dolce & Gabbana long silk dress. It's just not the original one. So, yeah. One day I'll be wearing the original one. So I'm practicing for when I can, you know, yeah. Have you been to Namibia? No, ma'am. Haven't been to Namibia. I want to... I'm not supposed to say this. I might get told off from my mama Neo later. Why you'll scream for the other person more than me? So you'll got favorites. No, it's fine. He gets a pass. Kwasuka. Yes. Guys, no more asking me about the child with the A name because someone is getting very angry. And Angiti, he leads, so stop the joke. It's not funny anymore.